Hello everyone, the point of this video is to discuss the difference between an event page and a course page. We recently had an event called SLP Creative Con. I'm going to use that event page as reference. So when you initially log into Tassel, hopefully you've just attended one of our events and you probably attended that course live. So if you're coming to our platform after this, this is what you need to know to be able to get your certificates. So typically we'll have at the top, either right here or in this little events drop down, whatever the event is. So you'll be able to click on this. And this is what we are calling as our event page. This will have some general information about the event that we are hosting. And at the bottom, you'll see all of the lessons, course content. And here is where we're going to put it's just a catch-all for all the information that you need for that event and whatever we are offering. So if that's the exhibit hall, downloading your conference playbook, our discussion group, et cetera, et cetera. And normally the webinar info will also be in one of these lessons as well. So if you've come right after the event, you're going to want to click into courses, quizzes, certificates, recordings. That is the lesson that you want to go into. And this is where we will list the separation between the live courses and the recorded courses. There are other ways that you can get to this. It will also all be recorded under all courses. If you click on whatever the topic is that the event is about, so this one is about business, you will be able to see all of the courses, but this will include both last year's and this year's event courses. So if you want to just look at whatever you need for right now, this is the easiest place to go. So if you want the live certificate, you're going to want to click into one of these courses. If that doesn't matter to you, your state doesn't require you to have a live certificate, or you just don't care about that, you can go into the recorded courses. It'll all be the same. So let's open up this one. So I'm going to click into one of the courses. This is what a course page is going to look like. It'll have only that one course title here at the top. It'll always have a course number, and all the rest of the promotional materials will be in here. So we'll go down to Start Course. Here in the lesson, you'll see all of the information that you need. You can go into the quiz. And now once you see that you've earned a certificate, you can download those. For the live certificates, the live courses are only up for a couple of days, so please download these to your devices. You definitely can download these and prevent any headache in the future where you might be in your account and not see those live certificates. It's because we do private these courses after a couple of days and then switch over to the recorded playbacks. So that is one way that you can go about getting your courses. Just know that these individual courses is where you get your certificates, where you're recorded, and how we will record you with or report you to ASHA, versus this general page that just has the event name at the top. That is just going to be your catch-all for all of the event information. So I hope this helps. And if you have any more questions, please reach out to us at the info@tasseltogether.com email. Thank you.